Water softeners offer amazing benefits for your home and health, yet the Water Quality Association and water manufacturers recommend water equipment being disinfected at a minimum of every 6 months. Can you imagine all the little critters that are just having a great time inside your water softener? There might be a bacterial party going on that you weren't invited to. If not properly treated, your water softener could be infected. Intermountain Soft Water provides solutions to protect your water softener from such conditions. With our safe and strong cleaning agents, we make sure that any slimy biofilm or glycocalyx is properly cleared away, and we don't leave until your system is calibrated and running right. Whether you have a salt-loving, halophilic bacteria in the salt tank or sticky biofilm buildup in the softener, our trained and certified technicians are able to remove it all. Since 1966, Intermountain Soft Water has been keeping your water soft, clean, and clear. Give us a call today to schedule your cleaning and disinfection appointment.